Alright guys, so this is like a New Year's clean out, so I thought that I should include this in this part of the video. I don't even know where to put you guys. So anyways, basically, I made my vision board for 2023. Very excited about it, but I went a little above and beyond. So first of all, it is my wallpaper for both my laptop and my phone. Slightly different versions. But then I did the classic on a canvas. Look at it. I love it. But the thing is, I went a little crazy as I just said. So I also made this little canvas. Now this is the canvas I'd previously painted. You can kind of see what I'd painted. Very bad, very old. So this is the second one that'll go next to it. And this one's just photos of what I'm grateful for. And the last one I did, this could be, this is very self-absorbed, but you know what? Stuff it, I'm self-absorbed. There's this little baby one. Like, look at that. It's beautiful. Anyways, I want to put it up on my wall, but I have to take down my tree. I'm really scared that my mom's gonna be mad at me for taking down my tree. But you know what? Whatever. It doesn't matter. The tree is gone. It's gone. The tree is gone. I mean, except for this. See that? Anyways, time to hang up these. I just tested them on that hook. What's up there? That this picture was on. So yeah, now we're gonna try and figure out where exactly to put them. It's so exciting. Hi besties. I look insane. Me and Riley are doing face masks. Riley, say hi.
Right, hi.
And we're gonna finish cleaning my room because it got a little bad again. And it's meant to be New Year clean room, you know? So we're gonna clean my room. Actually, he'll probably just sit on the bed and I'm probably gonna do all the work. But let's go. Hello bestie hoes, how are you today? Are you good? I hope you're good. Now this is like my 5th day trying to film me cleaning and I'm just determined to get it done today. Like this has been going on for too long. This started on the 29th of December and today is the 10th of January. That is 13 days too long. We're gonna be done cleaning today and then we're gonna keep clean. Anyways, and the room's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good, but there are like things that are not in their place, so we gotta fix that, and that's what we're gonna do today. Besties. Oh my god, my voice just left the building. Anyways, that's my room. Basically fully clean. So excited. The only thing that's still there is some stuff that needs to go in my wardrobe that I couldn't just like lay on my bed. But now we're gonna tackle that. Because I think after, because I can't really clean up this because that's all stuff that I need to like sell and stuff. We might be having a garage sale. So I might be able to get rid of some of that during that. But yeah, this is this. So we're gonna clean that now. Besties, I have very few things that I need to do. The literal last thing I need to do to clean my room that like I can physically actually do is put the goddamn Christmas tree away. Other than that, I need to ship the parcels. I was covering them because my address is on them. I have to, you know, take them back. I might need to get rid of the shoes that are there because one pair is Riley's mum's and the other pair I think I'm gonna do and put out for the garage sale we're having. This is all like I don't just do with half this stuff because some of it's for like when I move out. So like I need room under my bed. I don't think there's any room under my bed if I'm being honest. Then I got my cupcake thing. I don't know what to do with that. Oh, and then I've got the shopping bags I need to go in my car and I just don't want to go outside right now. And then like all of that crap which we literally can do nothing with. We're gonna try and put it all out at the garage sale though. But until then, it's just gonna have to sit there. But then when that goes, I reckon this stuff can take its place. Oh, yeah, and the bags. I don't know if you can see the bags. But I don't know what to do with those bags. I got my, like, handbag kind of thing. And then I got this really pretty, like, look at this. Oh, my God. I got this on the cruise. I bought it for myself for Christmas. Look how pretty it is. I don't know what to do with it, though. I didn't think that through and I bought it. Anyways, well, we just gotta take the Christmas tree down and then the room is clean. I'm so happy. You guys don't even understand how happy I am. My room has not been clean since probably this time last year. Like properly, fully clean. Which is kind of sad. But like, I'm so excited. Besties, it's done. My room is literally as clean as it will look for now. Clear, obviously, because I have all the clothes over there, and then I have the pile of parcels I need to return, and then I also have all that crap that's over there. But also, I moved my fan into the corner where the Christmas tree was, so now it's not just randomly there, and it's given so much more space. I'm so happy. I honestly don't think I could be happier. After the garage sale, hopefully I can get rid of some stuff. That's when I will do a room tour for you guys, because I've never done, on my 6 years of being on YouTube and having this channel, I have not done a room tour because my room has always been too messy and every time I try and clean it, I know I fully clean it. But this, like, so proud. I see a room tour in our future. Anyways, I love you, besties. If you enjoyed this little cleaning, if it inspired you to clean your crusty dusty room, give it a like. Make sure, you know, leave me a little comment down below. I love talking to you guys. And I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, subscribe. That's like pretty important, isn't it? We're on the road this year. It's gonna happen. We're going to get that 1,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yes, follow all my social medias. And I love you a lot. All of you. And I will see you next time. Bye, besties. I just realized what am I meant to do with the tripod that this phone is currently on? Like, where is this tripod gonna live? Send help.